Hi everyone, I'm Nevria, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to embed reviews on a PageCloud website. Before we start, generate your reviews on your Embed Reviews account and check the layout sections to apply different layouts to the widget. Once you're done customizing, click on Save Changes and get the code. So once the code is copied, go back to your PageCloud dashboard and under Pages, choose the page where you want to display the reviews on. On this example, I'm going to choose the home page and I'm going to click on Edit. Okay, so you can scroll down and find the section of the page where you want to add the reviews on. This example, I'm going to add them here. So I'm just going to click on the plus icon here and I'm going to add a blank section by clicking here. Okay, once this blank section is ready, from the left side menu, I'm going to click on Apps and I'm going to scroll down on Embed. And I'm going to drag this to the blank section that we just created. Okay, here just paste the code that you got from Embed Reviews and click OK. Okay, so here are the reviews and you can adjust the size like this. Okay, so once you have them all set up, you can just click on Save here. And you'll be able to view the changes on your live website. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime on our live chat or send us an email. Thanks for watching.